guys,
Hey gang.
we're in Arizona. We just landed. Our flight was delayed, so we're getting in late. I am tired. And kind of hungry, but super excited because we're going to the Show It Spark conference. I'm super excited. I just finalized all of my slides and stuff on the flight, so I am so excited. And I'm getting messages from people that are attending saying, hey, I'm looking out for you, so I'm happy about that. But the thing that I'm most happy about is that this guy gets to travel with me all the time now. We're going to be capturing lots of juicy content. I think that the Show It team sent a car for us, so I'm going to get that car. And then we're going to head to the hotel. Do you know how far away it is?
It's just like 4 miles.
Okay.
Why?
I want to. It starts at 10:30.
Why are we not gonna make the class?
Because I think we still have to go through registration.
Well, why are we going through registration now?
Look how big those cactuses are.
It's a great change subject. Let's get to the class.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that
I'd like to hear what you learn, but I'm kind of scared of hearing what you learn.
Yeah, the dad's stronger.
Yeah. Okay.
I know I'm getting an automatic 20-minute timer now. Look at mine and look at yours. Mine is all over. And look at how organized yours is.
But this is what kind of plate?
Low vibrational.
This is a low vibrational
plate. This is the plate of a king.
This is royalty.
But this plate, see, I would never do this to myself.
Where are we going?
To get coffee.
Okay.
Where are you going? You need coffee. This is my room for tomorrow. I'll show you guys inside in a little bit, but look at this. So many awesome people already had their classes here, including Jasmine. Hey, Jasmine. And I'm here tomorrow. Okay, so this is gonna be our room tomorrow. I cannot wait to meet you guys. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Guys, so let me tell you the story behind this picture. First of all, this is from Thinkific for the people that are in my masterclass tomorrow. But this picture is so special because of this guy right here. He's not paying attention to me right now, but he is so talented with the camera. Like, he took this picture, and this picture is old. This picture is years old, and Thinkific loves it, and I love how much they love it. But he is so talented in every way. He is such a creative, and you know, he just gives 100 when he's creating, and that's what I really appreciate about him. His talent is really limitless. Like, he really helps me with everything creative behind the scenes of the brand, and I am super grateful that my partner, is the person that can help me with all of that stuff. I feel truly blessed. What did we do today?
First session. What happened? What was the first session?
First session was so good. We had to rush to get there, but it was about running a business with your partner, like being married and running a business at the same time, or couples running a business. And so that was really good. But this is what I really want to know. I want to know, what gems did you get?
Bro, this is not about me.
What gems did you get from that session?
All the gems that I got, I learned already.
See, you know it all. You're a Mr. Know-It-All.
No, I'm not a Mr. I had to learn on the go. I learned that I need to work away from you.
Wait. What?
Do you see how like the couple worked in the same office
Yes.
all day?
Yes.
I need to work in a separate office. You can communicate with me all day through text, Slack, email, but I need to be outside.
Well, yeah, we outside. You need to be outside.
Yeah, I need to go outside. Like I need to go to work. I need to, at least a couple times.
You didn't catch my Beyonce reference?
I don't listen to Beyonce.
Okay. You're canceled.
I'm cool.
Okay. Okay. And what else did you learn?
That's what I learned.
That's all. That's all that you learned?
Well, not from them. Like they had like.
What was the book they said that we should read?
They recommended a book.
Wow. Okay. Let's
Just continue with yours.
So many lessons there
Can you stop moving?
about how to work with your partner.
Yeah.
So many lessons there about how to work with your partner. And that was really good. And we got to talk to the people that did the workshop after. Well, one of the couples.
Mm-hmm.
And they were so super cool. We're actually interested in going to a retreat with them next year. So that's going to be fire.
It's going to be pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's in Florida.
Yeah. This year we're going to do so many conferences and things like that. So I think coming out here to Arizona just lit a fire in me again. So I'm really excited about that. I love
one thing I did learn.
Now you remember.
No, they were telling you how to like deal with your partner when they like all they want to do is work, kind of thing.
Yes. What did you learn from that? Because you like to work too much.
Me? Me?
Okay. What did you learn about that?
I learned you got to just communicate it to them nicely and
what about
find
the
out
20-minute timer?
The 20-minute timer?
Oh my god! You did not listen to anything.
What to tone it down? Like, oh, you got 20 minutes to talk. First of all, we can't do that because that's all we really talk about. Like, not talking about business. That's all you like. What would you talk about if you wasn't talking about business?
We talk about so many other.
No, I'm talking
things.
about you. What would you personally, Zaylee, talk about if you wasn't talking about business?
The culture.
But you only talk about the culture as it relates to.
It relates to what?
Business.
No, like I like talking about the culture and things that are going on in the culture.
Okay.
I like talking about like relationships and what we're learning and things like that. I like talking about. No.
Okay.
I like talking about like wellness and mental wellness and your well-being. No.
Yeah. Okay. What else?
I like home decor.
Okay, I'll give you that.
And
that's something outside of business because all those other things relate to business.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I don't like talking about anything else.
Well, that's the problem. That's
music. I like talking about music.
Okay, I get that. Anyways, what was the second speaker?
The second one that we liked was Greg Marshall, and he spoke about storytelling. That was really good.
Yeah, he is freaking awesome.
Yeah, Ty liked him a lot.
Yeah, he thinks like me.
There you go. So
he's philosophical. He's deep.
Man, just so much is going on. But anyway, so and then we had dinner with everyone, and oh my gosh, dinner was fun. We sat at a fire table. I met a new friend that is local to Dallas, and I'm so excited to connect with her. But I met her through another friend who is so amazing, Natalie Frank, who is just amazing on all levels, and it's just always a vibe to connect with people who are true reflections of what they
portray to be
online, or or what they post to be. So that for me is really cool to have friends that are in the business and friends that we have met in real life and will continue to meet together like throughout the years. So I'm excited to rest, but we have a project to submit.
Oh yeah, let's go do that.
That part. Your tripod matches your outfit. Was that on purpose?
Yes.
Oh wow. We are getting set up for my session at Spark. We are getting the room ready. We can't wait to see you guys.
All right, well, this morning you guys are in for quite a treat. Daly is a visual content creator. She's been doing all kinds of stuff, teaching how to create content, and then also teaching others how to build those courses, master classes, to get those multiple revenue streams. And man, honestly, it's so good. We really appreciate it, and just such a treat to have her here with us at Spark. Welcome up, big, warm, 9 a.m. Wednesday morning. Welcome for Daly.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my